time, Salonga did not allow. We are ready. We're going to walk him out. We can arrest him right outside the gate. He's voluntary. Respect the institution. This is not about Bingoy. We're going out. No, don't leave him his right here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're going to walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. Let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. You can arrest him right now. You can arrest him. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. No, I did not. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. Sir, it's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, pumayag ka na kanina. Pumayag ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door. No handcuffs.
Sir, you have a warrant of arrest issued by Tandigan 5th Division, criminal case number E-SB 26/CRM-006 for the crime of plunder under Republic Act 78 as amended. Signed by Honorable Zaldi B. Trespeses, Chairperson of the Sir, being accused, you have also rights. May karapatan ka manahimik at magsawa ng kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa kanyang mga hukuman. May karapatan na ka rin kumuha ng sarili ng abogado o tagapagtanggol nang naayon sa iyong nakikita. Kung walang kakayahan, ang pamahalaan at pagkakaluban ka nito ng isa. Lahat po ba ng mga karapatan niyo sa rin na unawaan?
Kabila ko na sa kabila. Kabante mo. Kabila ka na.
Elevator, yung ano lang arresting ko lang.
Baba, takbo baba.